1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple around, spin it out, anchor step. Hi everybody. So we worked on a pattern that requires that you engage your partner in mirroring, not following in the traditional way. So this is the pattern. We did 1, 2, and it's a little subtle, but on 2, we are giving our follow just the slightest bit of room for that shoulder to open up. So we are now mirroring each other rather than I'm coming this way and bringing my follow with me. So that's the sort of the genesis of this pattern. We had 3 and 4, our most basic, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, but we got way past that. So we had 1, 2, 3, and 4. We had 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we added in those pulses. We took a detour for this crazy one. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, that one was pretty tricky. We had this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We added a sweep. And then I'll just show the last one that we did because it contains, oh my God, thanks. Yeah, I forgot about that one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? And then we'll do the last one that we did. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple around, spin it out, anchor step. Thanks everybody.